Welcome! In the world of makeup, achieving a perfected three-dimensional complexion is an art form. Today, we're demystifying two of the most essential tools in your kit, contour and bronzer. While they are often used together, their purposes are distinct yet beautifully complementary. Contouring is all about sculpting. It uses cool, matte tones to create the illusion of shadow, defining and enhancing your natural bone structure. Think of it as the architectural work. Bronzing, on the other hand, is about warmth. It imparts a healthy, sun-kissed vibrancy to the skin, mimicking where the sun would naturally hit your face. Mastering both is the key to unlocking a sophisticated, polished finish. Let's begin the breakdown. Our first step is creating the shadow base with contour. The objective here is precision. We want to identify and emphasize the natural planes of the face that would typically fall into shadow. Using a cool-toned cream or powder product will map out these areas. For the cheekbones, apply the product directly beneath the bone, starting near your ear and stopping in line with the outer corner of your eye. It's crucial not to bring the line too far in or too low. To define the jawline, draw a subtle line along the underside of the jawbone. This creates a sharper, more defined profile. For the forehead, a light application along the hairline and temples can help create a beautiful, balanced transition from your face to your hair. This methodological placement is the foundation of a professional-grade sculpted look. Now that we've defined the shadows, it's time to add warmth and vibrancy with bronzer. This step is about bringing a sun-kissed glow to the complexion. The key is to apply the bronzer to the high points of the face where the sun would naturally strike. A fantastic method is the E or 3 shape technique. Using a large fluffy brush, start at the temple, sweep the brush down and across the cheekbone, and then curve back down to trace under the jawline. This motion connects all the points of natural sun exposure in one fluid movement. A light dusting across the bridge of the nose can also complete the sun-kissed illusion. The most important rule? Bronzer should be applied above and outside of your contour lines. Never overlap them, as this can create a muddy finish. We want definition and warmth, not confusion. The technical success of this entire process hinges on one critical action: blending. All lines, both contour and bronzer, must be seamlessly diffused into your base makeup. Blend outward and upward to lift the face. It's vital to use separate brushes, a dense one for contour, a fluffy one for bronzer, to maintain color integrity. Now for a pro tip that busts a common myth. You may have heard that you should just use products 2 shades darker than your foundation. This is imprecise. The most critical factor is not the depth, but the undertone. A true contour product must have a cool, grayish or ash undertone to realistically mimic a shadow. In contrast, a bronzer must carry a golden or reddish warmth to look like a natural tan. This distinction is the secret to a refined, non-muddy finish. And there you have it. The calculated deployment of cool shadows and warm highlights is the hallmark of sophisticated cosmetic artistry. By understanding the distinct roles of contour and bronzer, you empower yourself to sculpt, define, and add vitality to your complexion. Remember, contour sculpts with cool tones and bronzer warms with golden hues. With methodical placement and seamless blending, you can elevate your makeup from flat to fabulously three-dimensional, enhancing your unique beauty with precision and confidence. Thank you for joining us.